Hey guys, my name is Nathan Flanagan. I'm so excited to be showing you one of my newest flip projects right behind me on Highland. This property we just picked up. We haven't closed on it yet, but I've got a bunch of contractors here to start the process of when we take possession, what we're gonna do with it. So I decided this would be a great opportunity to kind of bring you guys along the journey, show you from A to Z how we do this and how we're going to convert this property from a single detached home to a legal duplex. We might keep it, refinance it, or flip it. Unsure yet, but follow me guys and welcome to the journey. All right, we are in the basement. So this is going to be our basement suite. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So I'll kind of give you the layout. To my right here, this is going to be the nice big bedroom. There's gonna be a door that comes down the stairs, opens up like this, all right? And if you look right over here, actually, you're gonna be able to come down these stairs. This is gonna be a common area for the upstairs and downstairs tenant. You're gonna open up the door here, be able to go into the washer and dryer. This is gonna be the living space, all right? Kitchen is gonna be in this corner over here. And then a nice 4-piece bath, my bad. It's gonna be pretty dope. All right, so we just finished up. It was a really productive hour-and-a-half meeting, so I'll give you guys a rundown of what we're thinking. Main floor, we're gonna be redoing all the windows. We're gonna be doing new floor, new countertops, probably a new kitchen, new bathroom, backsplash included. Likely putting a deck here, but it is gonna be good, man. So now it's just time to crunch the numbers, really make sure that we're kind of still within budget, and then it's go time next week. So hope you guys like this video and follow along our journey. We'll be posting videos once we take possession and kind of throughout the process. So look forward to it.